Hello my beautiful popping queens, how are you doing? Have you missed me? Of course you've missed me. Welcome back to my channel. You guys, the popping queen is here. It's about to be popping. If you guys missed me, if you want me to do more videos, I want you guys to comment down below and be like, welcome the popping queen, the one and the only popping queen. I've got this beautiful hair sent to me by ASHIMARY hair. Okay, let me show you guys. Okay, that's it. Please leave your comment in the comment section and say, Chichi, you're popping, because I'm gonna be popping with this hair. Yes. Okay, I've got lashes and I've got that. Okay guys, woo! Link to ASHIMARY hair is gonna be in the description box, so check out ASHIMARY hair. Okay, woo! Ta-da! Look at that, people. Look at that color. Oh my god, you guys know ginger color. Everyone is wearing ginger color now, so you should get your one. Okay, ooh, this is beautiful. Look at that. Look at this, people. Let me take it like this. Look at this hair. I am gonna be popping. It's 13 by 6. Okay, 13 by 6. Look at that. Look at the knots. Look at the knots. Okay, beautiful hair, you guys. So I'm gonna prep this hair so I can pour it on so you guys can see. Okay, link to ASHIMARY hair is in the description box. Okay, you guys, so stay tuned while I install this beautiful hair from ASHIMARY hair. Hey guys, so I am back. Okay, I finished the installation. Okay, the reason why I did it this way is because some of you guys, some of my customers or some beginners, yeah, they want to know how they can install their frontal by themselves. Okay, if you do this method where I did half before I did the other half, okay, as you can tell, I did one part and I was using my hand to hold it here while I'm blow drying it. That way it's easier. Okay, you can do both sides, but trust me, do one side at a time. Okay, and thank me later. It's so easy when you do one side at a time. Okay, also when it comes to coiling, some people don't know how to coil their hair, okay, on their head. This is why I coil the hair on the mannequin, so you can do everything, style your wig, everything on the mannequin. Okay, after you finish prepping it, coiling it, the wig is ready. Okay, all you need to do is to install it. Okay, and it's easy that way also, because if you're trying to coil it on your hair, sometimes you get the direction wrong. Okay, this is the easiest way. Okay, I'm gonna blow dry it one more time, then I'll take off the rubber band. Okay. Okay, you guys, I forgot to tell you one thing. Okay, if you have a long elastic band and you go one and then you tie it in front, it's easier. Okay, if you're struggling to tie it at the back like so, you're gonna have a hard time. Okay, there's a reason why I did this video like so, just so if you're struggling to tie like so, it's easier when you go like so and just tie in the front. Okay, so let's see. Woo! Ta-da! Did you see? You guys, did you see that? Did you see that? Did you see what lace? Like what lace? So all I'm gonna do now is to use my foundation and I'll blend in. Okay, did you see? Darker foundation. Make sure the foundation is a little bit darker than your skin complexion. Okay, and you go like so. That is the darker powder. After that, you use the color that you use here. Okay, and you just go like so. You kind of blend it in. Okay, she's popping. Okay, let's bring this hair down, Chichi. Woo! You know what? This hair looks cute like this. Oh, Yeah, I like it like so. But no, let's bring it down. Bring it down, Chi Chi. Okay. It's late. Wow, Chi Chi, you were popping. Nobody can tell you anything, girl. Oh, wow. Okay, Chi Chi, you are actually slaying. Ooh, girl. Girl. Guys, so yeah. That's the hair. Ooh. Beautiful hair. If you want the coils a little bit smaller, you coil it little. You guys know I grab a bunch, okay? So that's what the coil is loose, okay? If you want the coil tight, you can just coil it little, okay? So the coil is tight. But I love my coils like so, like effortless, okay? But yeah, loving it, love it. Like I said, link to ASHIMARY hair is gonna be in the description box. And that's it, okay? Please don't bring too much. Don't bring too much. So guys, that's it for ASHIMARY hair. Link to this wig is in the description box. If you like, you can comb it like so. So the choice is yours, okay? The choice is yours of how you wear your ASHIMARY hair, okay? So guys, thank you so much for watching. That's it for ASHIMARY hair. Please like, comment, share with your family and friends, okay? That's it for today. Bye guys. Mwah.